Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have 6 new packs full of wonderful card toppers for you. So let's get started. This spring there are so many brand new card toppers from Easy 3D Toppers that I just didn't know where to start. So today is just an introduction to all the new packs in my store. I made just one card for each topper pack, but there will be more to come in the upcoming weeks. So I'm gonna start with this pack here, and it's called the Flower Balloons. And those of you who are not familiar with the Easy 3D Toppers, this is a pack of 10 card toppers, and you can see the 10 all the way up front here, beautiful flower balloons. They are all packaged in individual bags and they come in 3 steps. So I'm just, I took a few out here that you can see what I mean. So you open up the bag, and I'm going to do this for this pack so you have an idea how these work. So they come in individual cellophane bags, and now of course I need to find the opening here, and here it is. And then when you take them out, you find 3 pieces in there. You find the base piece, and then the first layer, and then there is a second layer, and you just add some foam pads in between and create this beautiful 3-dimensional card topper. This is cardstock. You can hear it. So it is sturdy enough, and it has a little bit of light glitter on here. Yeah, there you go. You can see it. And immediately you have something wonderful on your cards. So just again to give you a look of what is in here, beautiful flower bouquets on balloons. How fun are those? And I made one card, and here it is. Just take this aside. Yeah, here is my card. Very simple, really. These Easy 3D toppers speak for themselves. So what I have done here, I have splurged with new dies. So what I have done here is I just die cut paper from the Paper Boutique paper packs that I shared with you last week. Basically, yeah, just used a couple of dies. This is like the inside die, and the outside die has this beautiful scalloped edge, which I like. So those are 2 dies. Underneath I just added as a layer some glitter paper, and then here is our beautiful embellishment. And I did add some foam pads so you can see the dimension is not too much, so it fits perfectly in an envelope and can be mailed. And then here I have just for you, and this greeting also comes from the Paper Boutique pads, and I will link them below. And then a couple of flat back pearls, and of course this beautiful butterfly that I have been sharing with you over the past couple of videos. They come from these 5 packs, and you can see how blingy they are with butterfly stickers. So there are in pastel colors, and then here in the primary colors, and they're holographic. And what I have done with my butterflies, and this sticker here is from the pastel pack, I just added it to a little bit of vellum and then fuzzy cut around it to just give it a little bit of a lift. If you don't do that, then it is of course a sticker that you can stick, and that would be just as well too. Yeah, so here is my first card, and let's move on to the next pack. Next up are the flowers in the cups, and we have 10 beautiful teacups filled with gorgeous, vibrant flower bouquets, and even some birds and butterflies on the flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these colors. Just love them. And I took a few out. So again, these come in this bag with 10. And then you have these individual packages with some glitter on it. And I made my sample card. And here it is. Now, on this card, and let's see, first of all, let's look at the embellishment. How big are they? So here we have about 3 inches by 3.5. So 3 by 3.5. And this card is 4.5 by 6.5. So you can see how nicely it fills up even a bigger card. You can see again, I used my new punch to have this beautiful frame. And the paper pack, the papers for this particular card will also come up this spring. Just as a preview, it's called The Beautiful Garden by Precious Marika. And here are these gorgeous double-sided papers that I have used on this card. Unusual colors, you can see, so gorgeous. And yeah, that's all I did. This is really simple, came together very quickly. I used the celebration from my stash, and we have this beautiful teacup. Now, just as a announcement, next week I will have more cards with teacups that I have already created, and that video is coming up next week. So with all these beautiful new toppers, it is really hard to pick a favorite, but this might be it. Here we have the gnomes, and the gnomes come from the Dwarf in Spring pack, and we got these 10 absolutely adorable spring gnomes. I wish I had one just like that sitting on my couch. Isn't that absolutely the cutest? Love the gnomes. We had them in winter, and now we have the spring gnomes. So they are called Dwarf in Spring. Here is my sample card, and I think it just turned out lovely. Now I used a pink card blank, and then I have this, again, this beautiful die that created my background. The paper is from the Paper Boutique pack, and one of the doilies that I still have a few in my shop. These are these really beautiful lace doilies, very intricate, 10 to a pack. And then, yeah, With Love comes from the Paper Boutique paper pack, and that was Spring Whispers, I believe. And no, it wasn't Spring Whispers. I think that's it was the summer pack. I will link it below. It's got these beautiful roses. Yeah, that was the summer pack. Now, and then here, of course, is this absolutely cute gnome with pansies, and I love those hats. Isn't that the cutest little knitted hat that he's got on? Just a few more so you can see him up close. Here is this one. So gorgeous. And maybe a couple more. Yeah, I will be happy to make more cards with those because they are so cute. I had in my last video, last Saturday, the flower mail. And these are 10 envelopes stuffed with flowers. Look how gorgeous they are. So you have already seen one sample card last Saturday, and more to come next week. So I just wanted to put this pack into our show today. I don't have another card ready yet until next week, but here are these beautiful envelopes. The tulips are in here, and even an airmail envelope. So beautiful. Remember, we had these for Christmas, and now we have those beautiful flower envelopes. And wouldn't they be just awesome for Mother's Day, especially if you mail something to your mom? Okay, then what we have next here, we have the jeweled dragonflies. And these are gorgeous dragonflies, but they are made up like jewelry. So something totally different and very elegant. As with every pack, there are 10 in this bag. Here are a couple of close-ups. So those beautiful glittered dragonflies that if you want to, you can even add your own jewels to it. Maybe a couple of pearls. But see how pretty they are. So beautiful and very elegant. And of course I made a card. And here it is. And for this card I have used, I made a top folding card. I still need to put in the white writing panel. So I have used a dark gray background, so dark gray cardstock for my card blank. Then I used a dark paper. Here is this beautiful dragonfly, and then I have two of those flags here in silver and gold mirror cardstock, so basically just a couple of scraps, and a happy birthday sticker, and also a beautiful corner sticker. So let's see what I have used here. So first of all, these are brand new in my store. These are the happy birthday silver and gold stickers, but they are vertical. So this is how they look like when you put them on a card. And I know there's a big glare here, so I try to give you a decent view of it. And I think it's a different look, fresh, looks really great. Next, I have used one of the corner stickers, and this is also a sticker sheet. So here I have one that is similar. This one here is in the sky blue. I know it's very glittery, hard to see, but you can see I took two corners off. There are different sizes, the very big corner, medium, small ones, and you can even use the inners for embellishments. There are a couple of swirls here. Then of course this little round part that you can also use here. I have used one in silver, and I have them in multi-packs, but also as single sticker sheets. And then here, if you see this little heart here, I find them very handy. They come from the hearts. This is basically, it's almost done here, but this is how this heart border looks like. You take it off and you have this beautiful peel-off sticker as a heart. But what remains behind is a border peel-off and then all these little hearts. Now, who would throw those out, right? So I've been working with this sheet for several months now, and everywhere I like to, I add a little heart. And since these are really great stickers, they stick very well, I can stick them to anything and they won't come off. So they are really sticky. And yeah, here is my card. Now, the only other thing I would like to add, if you are looking for dark cardstock, which is not always readily found, I have this brand new paper pack in my store, and it's called Tell the Bees. It is a Hackney and Co. paper pack by Craft Consortium, and this is double-sided cardstock. There are even some cut aparts in here if you like to fuzzy cut. But if you go through this pack, you have these beautiful darker, let me just flip through it here really quick, those beautiful darker background papers, and they give a unique look to your cards. This is a 6x6 pack. I mean, look how gorgeous, right? So yeah, if you're in search of maybe darker background paper for a different look for your cards, then this one is currently available. And I just wanted to introduce that. But here is my card with this beautiful jewel dragonfly. And I think it is so unique looking and very, very elegant, I think. But there's one more. And the last pack for today are these beautiful hummingbirds. Now, look at these gorgeous hummingbirds with their flowers. I made some tropical cards last year, and I was actually looking for toppers that would match like tropical birds or flowers. Couldn't find anything. So this year I was very happy to see these hummingbirds, and I will definitely make more tropical cards coming up. But for today, yeah, these gorgeous hummingbirds. Let's just look at the few. I have them out. Let's see, here they are. I don't know how much you can see because there are the 3 layers, but you can definitely recognize those vibrant colors. So, so beautiful. With the hibiscus, right? All these gorgeous flowers. So let me show you the card that I have created. And here it is. Now, again, a very simple card. This is a top folding card. I still need to add my white panel to write on. All these cards will be available in a value pack if you are interested. And it will be linked in the info box. But check out this gorgeous hummingbird. The colors just so, so vibrant. And the paper here with those leaves that I thought was a beautiful paper going with this bird will be coming up in one of my next shows. This is a Prima paper pack, and you can see here is the paper, which is called, let's see if it fits in here, Watercolor Floral. And I actually, I just made the cards. There will be a video coming up with watercolor, no, not watercolor cards, but with cards with a watercolor look. Let's put it this way. And this paper pack will be in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I can just flip through here really quick to give you, and this is double-sided, give you an idea of how gorgeous this is. So this is coming up in one of my next week's videos. But here is the card for today. So I used this little bit of background paper. The thank you comes from the sticker pack. I already used it. This is the Floral Muse. And it's got beautiful stickers, birthday, and made with love and thinking of you. So yeah, there is my last card for today. So stay tuned for more. This is all I have for you today. I hope you liked my cards. I know you will enjoy these beautiful new card toppers that have just arrived. If you like these cards, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment which one is your favorite. And definitely, like I said, stay tuned for upcoming videos where I make more cards with these gorgeous card toppers. These are not all, by the way. There are at least 6 more brand new card toppers in my shop that have just arrived. So more videos to come. And you can check them out by coming and visiting my website. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.